Hey, hello buddy. So after a long time, I could not make a video. And I have stopped by UDP scrapping using the library tuber. So hope it will help you with YouTube scrapping. So I did it as far as how to connect these. How to get an API and your password, and how do you connect it with this with the help of R programming. I have done a couple of things uh, far away. So then today I wish to talk about a couple of things widely because actually last time due to a technical issue I had to just pause my video without completing everything. Right, okay. With the simple video, I will just try my best to give you the idea after connecting it, right? So I try to collect some comments. Uh, let's call it comments get all underscore comments. I have loaded this. I have loaded the relevant library over there, right? So under that, I may able to fetch all the comments with the help of the library tuber, right? And using this function, right? Okay. So I'll keep on the uh, useful fields. I feel like the third one is fine with the analysis. Third one, then the fifth one, right? So what you want to do is comments. I'm gonna just get first couple of all the rows with third one, fifth one. Oh, what are the others I need? Let's check it with the data frame. Even we can use this, but for now I will not include that. We can do uh, so many things with the help of this image URL as well, right? So let's see its channel URL. It's not channel ID, right? So so 10th one, 11th one, 12th one, 12th one, 12th one, 13th one, 14th one. They are fine, right? Okay, even their channel IDs are there. Even we can individually analyze the channels as well, right? Let's check what about the new newly filtered data frame. This one, and ID. There was ID, but I did not expect ID. What we can do with it. So for it, actually I did not need that. So I will prevent from keeping it here, right? I want to load this from the beginning because I have replaced the earlier data frame with the same name, right? So I'll keep these fields only. Actually, I missed one more field. What is it? Like count was missed, right? What is that field? Field number, I think, from what is the last one? This one is 16. 16. Here is the column, right? So we need 8, 9, 10, 11. We need 11, right? We need 11, and then 12, 13. Okay, now I think it should work, right? Okay. So I have subset my data frame with common fields or the display name like counts and all the others, but this should be converted into more meaningful data frame because you can see this like count is not a numeric one, right? Numeric field, so comments, dollars, like counts can be turned into as dot numeric comments, dollars, like count is turned into a numeric one, then comments. I'm trying to convert this published at time. This time. This time, but it is not indicated as a time. It's just a character now at this moment. So I will use fixed function. So what's my field comments dollars published at format equals inside inverted commas. What is this percentage here? Then percentage month, then percentage date, then upper T, then percentage hour, colon, percentage minutes, colon, percentage second, then Z, right? Z. Okay. I wanna convert updated time as well into a time frame, so we can make some time series using this one. Updated that. Okay. Okay, right now I want to do some more things in addition to these. What I want to do is actually there are some more things I hope to do, but here I'll not make this too much complicated and too much long. So in order to make it a very simple one, just I'll do it like this, right? Okay, for now it's enough. Head of comments is taken, right? Heads of comments is taken now. You can see what happened. This is converted into a numeric one. Now this is just a time. This in time format, right? Now the most significant thing I want to show you is I think this will help me a little bit further to show you how to identify whether these comments are updated or not, right? Okay, so right, example using library ggplot, right? Library ggplot to the help of library ggplot to ggplot data equals comments comments mapping equals aesthetic, right? Yeah, suffering from cold these days. Ah, okay. Uh, Now x equals, let's say, like count, right? Okay, I will add geo histogram is added, right? Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, what's wrong with it? Mapping x equals aesthetic histogram function geom histogram geom histogram. What's wrong with it? Then right, okay, it seems like this like counts for each of these comments. What is the maximum one is larger than 15 of larger than 15 likes were taken by a particular comment. So you can see what about the distribution. This very complex one. Complex data set. This contains only. Let me show library schema, right? Scheme using scheme comments. Let's say what about the summary of this data frame. They're on the how many are there? This much of this much of this much of this much of these are just there is no missing value, right? These are minimum one, these are maximum one, right? You can identify all the range they are distributed among the median, right? Okay, here like count is the sole numerical data in this data frame, right? Mean is just 4.16667. Likewise, standard deviation is this one. These are percentages, percentiles 0 to 25 like this. So this quartiles, right? And this quartile, second quartile, and third quartile. Okay, and this type of histogram is actually this is the real histogram for that. There are some gaps. So for representing this, it's better to right. Okay, what about dimension of this? Dimension of this data frame comments. Okay, let me check the dimension. It's the 12 and 5. Is it? I wonder if it's actually there are only 12 rows. Okay. Because this is uploaded before a couple of hours, I think. I did not check it exactly. Somehow I'm gonna check what about whether they have updated to here we can sort out them. Let me subset it, right? Subset equals inside these parentheses this a function. So what's my data set? Comments is my data set. Comments dollars like count. Like count equals max of it, right? Like sorry, comments double sign like count, right? Okay, let's check who got large amount of likes. Like count almost they are equal 16 and 16. They got 16 and 16. these are comments, right? So right, okay, even you can read it fully by writing this into a CSV file. Let me write this into a CSV file. Let me fail com, right, okay, write dot CSV fail underscore com. I have not set the working directory. Let me set the directory. Working directory. It's my working directory. Let me. Okay. Right. Okay. So let's save it as com.csv. And okay. So let's run it. Right. Okay. Hope it is written over there. Filecom, right? So it is taken into a CSV file now. It's too easy to read in readable way. Otherwise, using even R, we can do it with the help of Vue, right? With the help of Vue. The thing is, this is not encrypted codes. While I asked to write it, it's not written because it's not they are not encrypted. Then they are singular, right? So just you can read all these comments just using a couple of commands. Just you can even put view inside view. You can say fail underscore com, right? That all you can read everything on another interface, another window of this. It's something different with this window. It will be loaded outside, so you can read everything. And there are some more other ways to do the same even here, right? Okay, now just I file underscore com, right? Okay, this is these are attracted. These are much attracted comments among all these comments. There were only 12 for now. Right, okay. So let's check whether there is any difference between updated time and the published time, right? Okay, let me add comments, dollars, different comments, dollars, dollars, updated time, right? It's the latest time minus comments, dollars, published, right? Okay. Now let's check the updated data frame with this column, right? Okay. Now you can see there is this much of difference. We have only just 12 rows, so no need to just write down a command in order to fill it. Those are either zero. If you want to fill, just you can say use subset, or you can use square brackets, something like that, right? Even you can use filter, right? Even you could depend on dplyr, right? So in my earlier sessions, I have shown you each, right? So likewise, right? Okay, if you wanna make a time series, let's say again times ggplot data equals comments. Let me geo line, right? So let's put them into a line. Mapping geo line comments mapping equals aesthetic side parentheses x equals, let's say, list at, and y equals, let's say it's like, right? It's like count, right? Okay, it's like this, right? Okay. These data are not enough for preparing this distribution to identify whatever the distribution. There is a normal distribution, or it could be skewed one most of the time. So we have used the gamma distributions as I explained earlier, right? So likewise, so if you could find it out properly or approximate the distribution, so we can find out what will be the likelihood, the probability of putting a like or comment after about a particular moment, right? So it is like that, right? So using these few rows only, we cannot do further, right? And just yeah, yeah. Okay, right. Uh, right. This is my favorite. Right. Okay. So I'll use to subset couple of comments. Those got most com has subset. I'm trying to subset a couple of data based on like count. Those are larger than let's say 2, right? Let's say it's 2, right? Um, comments, then comments dollars like count is larger than, let's say, 2. Oh god, these comments got life larger than 2, right? Almost. Then I try to prepare a bar plot, names equal, let's say, most underscore com, not within inverted commas, right? Dollars, what will be it? What about the data frame? So this is the data frame, and then we need author name, right? We need author names, then hi equals like com, right? Most underscore com, right? Like com, right? Okay. Even we can put some labels. These x and y axis can be labeled. Even we can add a title, but I don't try to do it because in my earlier sessions I have taught you how to do exploratory nice exploratory analysis using R programming, right? So I'll just turn these labels into the right directory, right? Using last2, this is the default one, right? This is a default function. Right, okay, you can see for uh, top clients. So this may be top fans for him, right? So actually, I didn't check whatever this video I'm not just I did not just want to proceed this just compare or do something. That's just I wanted to. My purpose is to just compare this show. It's not in order to just for in comparison, but this I wanted to do some visual interpretations using R programming, and this I wanted to let you know all these can be done using this, right? Using this API and SQL only, right? Okay, and even you could we can do some more comparisons as well, but I don't try to do that over here, right? I can do one more thing. There is the YouTube channel, so we can get the stop talking, right? Okay. So I need ID. I need his ID, then okay. And just you can put here channel ID, right? Question mark channel underscore ID equals, okay, this is channel ID, right? And get channel ID like this, and I'm gonna get channel statistics. It's gonna be done, right? Uh, channel underscore channel underscore stats, right? Stats over there. Then channel underscore ID is going to be for in this one. I have copied it into my clipboard, and you can see. Yeah. Okay. Okay, there was a spelling mistake over there. Let's check it again. Right, okay. You can see your basic stats of this channel. If you need, if you want to put it into data frame, then say data frame. So you can include that inside. It's right. Okay. Okay, now likewise you can mark a couple of channel IDs. What do you want to compare, right? If you want to compare a couple of channels, so it's like this. It's the title, it's description, right? It's like this, right? Everything is here, right? Okay, I will explain these individually later, right? What does these attributes say? Right, okay. So for now, I'll stop it by here, right? Okay, thank you for all.